Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Woolly Night Stitches. My name is Katie, and today we're working on the Rosemarkie by Long Dog Sampler. This is our Friday Stitch with Me, but it is going to be coming to you late Saturday night, because I didn't get it filmed yesterday. But that's okay, as long as we're working on something, right? So we are working in the top left-hand corner, actually on the third square from that corner. And we're doing what I'm calling the basket weave stitch, what it looks like anyway. So in my last stitch with me on this, I messed up and had to frog almost everything out. But that's okay. Hopefully we don't repeat that, but we'll find out. So I hope you're all doing good, staying warm. We got snow on Wednesday night into Thursday. It was cold, but the snow melted off by today and there's just little remnants here and there. It was nice to watch it snow though. This project is on a pewter gray in 28 count, and I'm doing 1/1. And I'm using, let me see, Karen Water Lilies in the color Plum. Oops. There's a good color of what they look like. And I'm doing the back stitching as I go. One thing about variegated thread, you need to like complete your X so that the colors don't get muddled. Like, don't go all the way across with half and then come back with the other half of the X. Because that's what I did up here at the top of this square, and it doesn't look too bad, but that is the advice from the experts, so that is what I will be going with. So I put up a small poll here on YouTube for tomorrow's video, and I would love it if y'all would go and answer it. It's just a poll on if you would rather me have a mini floss tube tomorrow or a stitch with me. It will probably be later in the day, released later in the day, because I have to work in the morning, and I highly doubt that I'll be up early enough to record it. So each one of these X's gets completely boxed in with outline stitches. So believe it or not, I have not started anything new. And I don't have any plans for this month of starting anything new. It's shocking, I know. I do have a collab on the way, which I'm super excited about. Sorry, I need to stretch a bit. I don't know what I did to my back at work today, but it made it all tight and sore. And I literally just spilled coffee down my sleeve. Okay, I don't know how I did that, but apparently I did. I know the strange things you hear on my Stitch with Me's. It's okay, I'm weird and I'm proud of it. So if you haven't already, you should go and join my Discord community. It is Woolly Night Stitchers. Whoa, whoa, whoa. And the link is in the description box below. I'd really like you guys to go join over there because we can chit chat. I can do like live calls and we can see each other. Y'all can send me pictures of your work, what you're working on, things like that. So I'm thinking that I have quite a few Gecko Rouge fans. Y'all really enjoyed my unboxing of my Gecko Rouge kits. So maybe if the poll goes towards Stitch with me for tomorrow, maybe I'll stitch on my new Gecko Rouge kit. The gamer girl. I do have to say though, their threads are like super dry. I haven't used my floss wax on them yet because I've just been doing it when I'm in bed, and believe it or not, I don't have a can of my floss wax next to my bed. So I need to try it. Hopefully that'll help soften them up a bit. They just feel really dry. They're good threads, just odd feeling. Mark this off. We did 2. So, excitingly, I got a PS5 and I've been playing Hogwarts Legacy nonstop, which has put a dent in my stitching, but I've gotten 3 solid days on Disney Halloween. I'm about halfway through the row, so that's good. But yeah, I've been playing Hogwarts Legacy nonstop. I love it. Graphics are great. The quests are awesome. Of course, I wish there was Quidditch, but they put in a little thing that canceled Quidditch. But I really like it. And it's different, you know, there's not any of the same characters in it at all. Because this is like years and years before the Harry Potter scene. And I just love it. I like it so much that I might be playing it through 4 times. Because I want to play each house. Right now I'm in Gryffindor, which is my house of choice. And I'm playing through like doing every side quest, every, you know, searching the entire castle. So it's going to take me a while. If I do go back and do replay it, I'll probably just do the storyline. More than likely. Oh, so I did go to the dentist on Wednesday to have him look to see if he might think I'm allergic to my crowns. And is inconclusive. They didn't know the real reason I was there. They thought I was just there to get a regular dental panel, not for more of a consultation. So that was fun trying to explain what we were actually there for. And then oh, I missed something up here, didn't I? And then once we got that all sorted, they went to find the paperwork that my dermatologist that sent me to him to look at. But they had faxed the papers over, and it was complete black garbage. Nothing had faxed readable. So don't really know much. He was gonna talk to that doctor. He knew her. So they were gonna chat about everything. And then I got a call yesterday. That is not what I need. To from the dentist to let me know that they had a sample of their cement that they use to glue down the crowns. Um, that one. Okay, I'm lost. Hold on. All right, to glue down the crowns so that I could take it to the dermatologist to get a patch test done to see if I'm allergic to that, in case they do want to redo my crowns. It was funny, the lady just like, yeah, just swing by, come pick it up. I already said you have an appointment. I was like, yeah, in a couple months. She's like, oh, well, there's no rush. And I can't just swing by. I live 2 hours away from where this doctor is. So on Tuesday, hopefully I'm going to be able to call the doctor and see, or the dermatologist, and see if there's any way they can get me in sooner than April to get this patch test done. It's a lot of back and forth from doctor to doctor. And we just did that. Okay. That's a whole lot of fun. I think we need to end this thread. I'm going to end it on a cross though. End it on a back stitch. So I was watching a stitch with me and I saw someone. I still probably shouldn't do it on this one. But to end their thread, they came up and hid their thread underneath like a thread here. And I think I might do that if I was doing full coverage, but I'm not doing full coverage. So I'm gonna park it over here. We'll get another thread. Try and get through. And there's no rhyme or reason of how I pick my threads. I basically just, they come like in this long skein, and I just cut the where the loop was at, and I just pull a thread. I don't go by like one thread from this strand, one thread from that strand, because the colors are a bit different. I just pull one. So there is no rhyme or reason to how these colors are going to come out on this piece. 100% random. Our baby's doing good. Next week is her birthday on the 14th. She will be 14. And unfortunately, she has a vet appointment that day. She has to go get her blood work done again to see if this blood pressure medication is still working and not causing any issues. I got her I got her two sweaters. I got her a cute little pink hoodie sweater, which she hates, of course, and then a blue shirt that says birthday vibes. I thought it was adorable. I'd also gotten her a new harness, which was the whole reason I'd gone into PetSmart. But I got the wrong size. I got her a medium, which the harness, it goes around their belly and hooks like behind their neck and at the top of their back. The part around her neck and chest fit, but the part around her belly did not. So I'm gonna have to exchange it for a small and hope that it fits. And hopefully I can find the same one in a small, because it was really cute. The base was purple and then it had like pastel-y kind of flowers on it. It was really cute. There were a lot of different options, some cute, some not so cute. Not. Took a while to decide on which kind I wanted to get because there's some that don't have a real wide base underneath or like where their chest is, and I prefer that on her. So it's not so reliant on the harness being around their neck. I've never liked that, but I did finally find one once I figured out the orientation of the thing. That was what I wanted, so. Hopefully on Tuesday I'll go and exchange that. It seems that Tuesdays are when I seem to do all my errands and things. So. So are any of you working on a long dog? So which one are you working on? I've seen lots of ink circles, which I think are pretty similar to long dogs that I like. Seems like ink circles are more symmetric compared to long dogs. But this line that this one came from is their geometric line. So yeah, I like it. All right, one more row to go. This one done so I can get it uploaded for you guys to watch. If you have been enjoying this video, give me a like if you could. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Puts a smile on my face and helps out the channel. Helps our channel grow. And also comment below. I like interacting with you guys, reading your comments and having a conversation. Don't forget to check out the Discord link. I promise you it's not hard to get onto Discord. But if you do have any troubles, you can comment on here, message me on Instagram, or email me, and all of those things are in the description box below. Those are all the places you can find me at. I've been trying to get a little bit better at posting pictures on Instagram. I'm posting them on here as well. I don't know if that's kind of redundant or if you guys enjoy that. Let me know. Also been fiddling around with making shorts. Short videos here on YouTube. Yeah, that's all I've been up to. I'm waiting for the winter weather to disappear, which I know that's not going to happen. There is a dog hair embedded. There's always a dog hair embedded in my work. That's okay. Oops, sorry, I hit my desk. Fur Baby will always be with me in all of my projects. The Super Bowl is tomorrow. If you guys are celebrating, be safe. There are a lot of crazy people out there. And enjoy the time with your family. I don't watch the Super Bowl. So I might watch the Puppy Bowl. If I get real adventurous, I might call up my sister and go out there. They throw a little family Super Bowl. which most of it involves just eating, watching the Puppy Bowl, and watching the halftime show and commercials. So I might call her up. We'll see. See how tired I am from work. Well, okay, guys, that is where we're going to stop for today. We got another, what I call it, basket weave square done. If I can stop hitting my desk. So I hope you all have a great day. Don't forget to check out the Discord link, like, and subscribe here on YouTube. Hope everyone has a good Super Bowl Sunday, and go and vote on what you'd like to see tomorrow. And have a good night. I will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye for now.